Hey guys, it's Jasmyn
and Janaia.
and today we're going to be doing Christmas things underneath a microscope. We're not going to be using these on slides because we don't have to, but let's get started. Janaia's going to be doing her gold pipe cleaner first. Now to see how it looks like underneath the microscope. What? So cool.
I want to see. Wait, what? Am I dreaming?
You guys need to see this.
Yeah.
Wasn't that cool? Did you even know a pipe cleaner could look like that? Well, let's just move on to the next one. Next one, I'm going to be doing cut and you put underneath your Christmas tree. Now let's see how it looks like. Whoa! That looks... Just come on. I know what you're going to say. Come on, just look at it. Yeah, she's speechless. You guys may see this. Wow, did you see that? It looks like squiggly spaghetti and it even looks like it has some color to it. Well, next we're going to be doing a piece of Janaia's snowflake. Let's see how it looks like. Wait, what? Looks like crystals. What? Wait. Okay.
It looks like this design.
Which we did for the other video. Go check that out if you didn't see it. Anyway, you guys need to see this. Now it's under high power. Now let's see how it looks like. Cool. Naya, come look at it. Come on, look at it. Now I'm curious to see how this looks like. Now we're going to be looking at our last snowflake, which is a smaller version of this. So let's see how it looks like because it is super glittery, sparkly. Now let's see how it looks like and adjust it. What in the world? Come look at this for yourself. You guys need to see this.
Yes.
Now I'm going to see how it looks like under low power. What? Okay, now you need to look at this too. Wow. Honestly, my favorite one was Janaia's snowflake because it looked like so much gems and it was super pretty. This one looked like, I don't know how to explain it, but which one was your favorite one?
This would be a hard decision, but I would say this one. But my second favorite is that because it kind of looked like gold because gold's my favorite color.
Well, I hope you liked this video. We'll see you guys next time.
Bye.